हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपकी ये रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। सो टुडे आई एम गोना रिएक्ट ऑन अ ग्रुप नेम कॉल्ड एक्सो एंड देयर न्यू सॉन्ग क्राउन। सो आई डू नो एक्सो क्योंकि भाई as a person who is a K-pop fan, so of course I'm gonna know EXO, but I don't know about them that much. So this is my first time hearing their comeback or a song. So let's get into the video. Whoa, this is so cloudy. Oh, he's so handsome. The thing is, I don't know EXO members' name. So please tell me in the comment section. This is my first time. I know Kai and Kyungso. I know these two person. Oh, Kai. This is so good. Like, I'm feeling like I am gonna be a fan because when I heard EXO song, EXO was not active, so I didn't put that much effort of knowing this group. But this is so good. And I do want to know how EXOLs are feeling like after such a long time they are coming. I will protect the crown for you. They're so handsome and the concept is so good. Kungso, his voice, I literally love his voice in Small Girl with, Yongji. So yeah, I'm fan of his vocals. This is good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is he rapper? What is his name? His rapping is so good. He looks like a actor, like his figure and everything is so actor. Who is this? Kai. Ooh, he's looking so good with this hairstyle. Coming for that. This is like going, back and forth with this song with vocals and rapping, and their dancing is so good. I will protect the crown for you. Kai is like handsome. I literally love his body proportions. The whole abandoned building or so whatever this is, like what they used in this. Is this a real place or CGI or AI? Like this is so good. The MV is so top notch. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're so good. The group is so balanced with vocals and, rappers. I think I have to be a EXO-L. And I'm happy like this is my first, comeback with them. Kai, so, how I know Kai? I know him through his dancing. I literally love, the way he dances. Che, cho, cho. This is so good. I so want to, sing along with them, but I don't know Korean, so this is kind of bad for me. I think I need to learn. Whoa, Kai. Who is this? He's so handsome. They are kings of K-pop. Like, EXO is literally so good. But I was so like, if you think about it, it took so long for them to have a comeback. That's why, standing them is gonna be so hard. I just hope they keep coming back now. I'm loving it. Oh, this is so good. The crown and everything. This is the whole song from EXO. And I think I loved it. This is my first time seeing their MV. I did heard their song whenever any group or stuff do challenges or like sings the songs or Like randomly, I heard their few of their songs, but I was not like into EXO or their songs that much. But this is my first time hearing and seeing their MV, and they have such a top-notch work into their MV. First of all, the whole scene was so dope, like banger. I literally love the way they were rapping. I literally love the way they were having their vocals, and I literally love the way they were like, showing their talent. The only few people I know in this was Kyung So and Kai. So I do hope you tell me other members in the comment section. And as far I know, I think EXO have more members. So what happened? Why I'm seeing less members into the group? So please comment down below. And if you love my reaction, please subscribe to the channel, share the video to your fellow EXOers or the people who love watching reactions. And I hope you love my reaction. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you want me to react on something. Bye bye, babies. I love you all.